This is a model kit I built of a Plymouth Fury 3 convertible. Finish on a brush-on metallic teal paint. It's from 1967. It shows the interior very well with the console and matching interior to the outside paint. And there's the rear end. Here's a profile of this Plymouth. There's the other side. Taking the hood off, you can see the engine compartment. So I wanted to show you the underside also, which is finished in a gloss black. It should have been a flat black, but anyway, this was a model, that kit that I put together some time ago, and thank you very much for viewing.